Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best whey protein options for women looking to enhance their fitness journey and support weight loss. Her whey in peanut butter banana split flavor. This isn't just any protein powder, it's packed with benefits tailored specifically for women. Let's explore why it stands out. Her whey is designed with women's needs in mind, offering a delicious peanut butter banana split flavor in a convenient 1.7 pounds tub. It's a whey isolate protein, which means it's fast absorbing and ideal for recovery and lean muscle building. First off, taste matters. Her whey delivers not just on protein content but also on flavor, making it a treat to look forward to after workouts or as a meal replacement. The blend helps curb cravings and supports weight loss goals. This protein powder isn't just about protein. It's loaded with essential nutrients like 5 grams of BCAAs and 10 grams of glutamine per serving. These help in muscle recovery and overall well-being, ensuring you feel your best day in, day out. Formulated specifically for women, her whey supports lean muscle growth while curbing appetite, making it easier to stick to a fitness regimen without feeling hungry or deprived. You can use her whey in various ways, as a pre-workout boost, a post-workout recovery shake, or even in recipes like protein-packed pancakes or smoothies. It's versatile and adds a nutritious punch to your meals. To wrap up, her whey in peanut butter banana split flavor is not just a protein powder, it's a companion on your fitness journey. Whether you're aiming to build lean muscle, recover faster, or simply enjoy a delicious protein supplement, this product delivers. Check out the link in the description to get yours and start enjoying the benefits today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that can enhance your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.